One of the nice features built into the MRX is the ability to have a drop-down door that gives me clearance to protect my hands from burns when loading the unit. We're now going to cook a pizza. Again, a very common product that's purchased that can often take long periods of time to serve. In the MRX, we're going to do that pizza in a very short period of time, just over 1:40, and that will give us the product that we're then ready to serve. I open up the door. I have the clearance with the lower door that then allows me, using the correct tools, to load my pizza. I'm now going to go in and select the cooking cycle. Now for this one, I'm only taking 40 seconds. It's a pre-made dough. I'm really only trying to heat it up. But you would be able to do raw pizza doughs through here using a different plate, and that would get the heat up through the base of the pastry as well. As the cycle's cooking down, it's always giving me a clear indication of what it would be. As you can see here, I'm using a croissant program, which is not ideal. What we will show you in another video is how we then can set a program specifically for pizza, so as I don't have to remember to use a croissant program for pizzas. I would simply choose the pizza program and it will be set based on what I need. I open the door, remove my pizza, and you can see that we've started to get nice melt. We've got a bit of brown starting to come onto our cheese, and a nice crispy finish ready to serve.